Tip Blitz 2019. So a lot of the channels that I follow, watch, have been posting up tips. Tip Blitz 2019. I believe Emma started it, from what I've seen, and I don't know if I'm invited, but I thought I'd come to the party anyway. Crashing parties for years. I was out in the shop doing a little cleanup, and I've already started actually, and I thought, I might share this on the Tool Blitz, Tip Blitz, not Tool Blitz, Tip Blitz. So we all use, I know most of us are probably pretty familiar with Johnson Paste Wax for, you clean your metal up, cast iron on a table saw or something, you clean it up and then you throw a layer of this paste wax on there. But I thought I would just show, maybe some people don't know and haven't seen, that you can actually remove some surface rust. I've removed most of the surface rust off of this 4-jaw chuck just by the application. Is that in the camera? Just by the application of some paste wax. So what we're working on now, I'm gonna get the rest of this. I thought I'd just do a quick video. Little tip for the Blitz. Get you a little wax. And go to work. And before you know it, that surface rust is long gone. All right, so it's not as elaborate as this old Tony, but it's a tip for the Blitz.